Don't have time to go to the grocery store or just don't want to? I'm Beth from Team Clark, and I'm going to test Walmart grocery pickup to see if it's really as easy and convenient as they make it sound. I'm going to take you step by step through the process, and I'm really hoping that this service is as simple as it sounds, because I think it would be a great way for anyone with a busy schedule to get their grocery shopping done without having to navigate a hectic store or wait in a long checkout line. Another plus for parents with small children is that you don't have to get kids out of car seats or worry about tempting treats in the store. Okay, let's get started. You can access Walmart grocery pickup online or via the Walmart grocery app. The Walmart grocery app is different from the regular Walmart app, but just look for the orange Walmart icon in the App Store or the Play Store. Before you start shopping, you'll need to choose your preferred store and a 1-hour pickup window to get your groceries. My store lets me choose any time between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. I'm going to choose the afternoon from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. when it should be relatively busy to see how the service works during evening rush hour traffic when a lot of people are likely getting groceries. I have 3 hours from the time I chose my reservation to complete my checkout. If I don't complete my checkout, they'll cancel my reservation. Adding items to your cart is pretty simple. Just click Add and adjust the number of items you want. The experience on the app and website is similar, which makes it easy to switch from one to the other. You can easily pick up where you left off if you need to finish an order you started earlier. You have to order $30 worth of groceries to take advantage of free pickup. Otherwise, you can't use the service. Walmart guarantees on their site that you'll pay the same low prices using this service as you do in-store. Another promise they make is that if the item's price changes between the time you place your order and the day it's packed, you'll pay the lower price. Substitutions can work in your favor too. If Walmart doesn't have the exact item you ordered, they'll substitute it, tell you, and charge you for the lower priced item. But if there are individual items in your order that you don't want to be substituted, you can uncheck that item as you review your order. Now I'm ready to check out. Walmart Grocery accepts credit and debit when you check out. Some Walmart stores also accept EBT as a form of payment. I'll put a link to that information in the description below. I placed my order and got a confirmation email. It tells me when my order will be ready and where to pick it up at my store. The email also has a link to add last-minute items before the cutoff time, which is great if you forgot that you have to bring snacks for your kids' soccer team or that your friend's housewarming is tomorrow. You can also opt into text messages that will let you know when your order is ready. When you get the text, email, or notification that your order is ready, Walmart recommends that you check in with the app so that they know you're on your way to pick it up. As you can see, I'm already in my car, so I'm going to check in with the app and then head to Walmart. So I just picked up my Walmart grocery order, and it was so simple. An associate came out right away with my order, put my groceries right in the trunk. They did let me know that an item from my order that I had specifically asked not to be substituted wasn't available in the store. So I was refunded the money for that item, and then one other substitution was made to my order. But other than that, everything's in the trunk and I'm ready to go home.
Overall, I'm really satisfied with my Walmart grocery experience. It was quick, easy, and I was going to buy those groceries anyway. So if you have a busy life, I think the service is totally worth it. Check out some of our other videos and subscribe to our channel for even more time and money-saving info.